Hi, today's our topic is C pointers and function. There are two ways we can pass value to function. First one is call by value and next is call by reference. First, call by value. In this method, we pass a copy of the variable and not the actual variable to the call function. So, any changes made to the copy of the variable in the call function is not reflected back to the original variable. In call by value method, the value of the actual parameter is copied to the formal parameters. We cannot modify the value of the actual parameters by formal parameter. Different memory is allocated for actual and formal parameters since the value of the actual parameter is copied to the formal parameter. The actual parameter is the argument which is used in the function call, whereas the formal parameter is the argument which is used in the function definition. Here is an example for call by value function. In the following example, we have the num integer value. We are calling the argten function and passing the num variable as an argument to the function. We can see that the value of num is not changed after the function call. This is because when we pass the num variable by variable as argument to the function argten, then inside the argten function, we work with a copy n and not with the actual variable num. So here the output will be value of num before function call is 10. Inside argten function value 20. Value of num after the function call also 10. So here the value did not change. So in the following example we have the num integer value. We can see that the value of num is not changed after the function call. This is because when we pass the num variable by the value as argument to the function argten, then inside the argten function we will work with a copy of n. So not with the actual variable num. That's why the value of num is not changed after the function call. Next is call by reference. In call by reference, the address of the variable is passed into the function call as the actual parameter. The value of the actual parameter can be modified by changing the formal parameters since the address of the actual parameter is passed. The memory allocation is similar to both formal parameters and actual parameters. All the operations in the function are performed on the value stored at the address of the actual parameters and the modified value gets stored at the same address. Here is an example for that. When we are calling the argten function, we are passing the address of the num to the function as argument. So the function parameter variable n, which is allocated in the memory location 2000, stores the address of the num variable, that is 1000. So n is pointing at num. Inside the argten function, we are adding 10 using the following code, that is asterisk n is equal asterisk n plus 10, where asterisk n means the value at the address stored in the pointer variable n. So the address stored inside the pointer variable n is 1000, which points at the variable num. So asterisk n gives us 10, that is the value of num. Since we are updating the value at the location 1000 from inside the argten function, so we return back from the function call, we get the updated value of the num variable. So here the output is value of num before function call is 10. Inside argten function value 20. Value of number after function call is 20. Now the value changed. So here let us see what are the difference between call by value and call by reference. Basically, a copy of the variable is passed in call by value. In the case of call by reference, a variable itself is passed. What will be the effect? Change in the copy of variable does not modify the original value of the variable in the case of call by value. Whereas in call by reference, change in a copy of the variable modify the original value of the variable. The syntax used for call by value is function underscore name variable underscore name variable underscore name 2 close bracket. In the case of call by reference, function underscore name bracket ampersand. So here address is given. Ampersand variable underscore name 1 comma ampersand variable underscore name 2 etc. So how it's calling default? As default, the primitive types are passed by using call by value. In the case of call by reference, objects are implicitly passed using call by reference. So these are the main difference between call by value and call by reference. So once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your valuable suggestions. Thank you.